Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to share my honest review of HideMe VPN. Before you spend hundreds of dollars on a low-quality VPN service or fall for a scammy free VPN, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. If you're short on time, you can click the link in the description to start using HideMe VPN for free. They have a permanently free plan, no credit card required. Let's get started. The HideMe VPN stands out as a top-tier choice, especially for those seeking an exceptional free VPN plan. While many competing services lure users with a limited-time free trial that often transitions into an automatic subscription charge, this VPN takes a completely different approach. It offers a free plan that is not just a temporary trial, but a permanent option available to everyone. What makes it even more appealing is the fact that no credit card is required to sign up. This means you don't have to worry about hidden charges or unexpected fees appearing on your account after the trial period ends, as there is no trial period to begin with. You have the freedom to use this free plan indefinitely, making it an ideal choice for anyone seeking reliable, long-term VPN protection without financial commitments. Now, let's dive into the features of the free plan. The free plan provides users with 10 GB of data each month, making it a practical choice for those who require a basic level of internet usage. This amount of data is well suited for activities such as light web browsing, checking emails, and streaming videos in standard definition. It offers a convenient and reliable option for individuals who need the functionality of a VPN for occasional or limited use without incurring any costs. Whether you're looking to enhance your online privacy or access content securely during infrequent sessions, this plan meets essential needs without a financial commitment. In addition to its generous data allowance, the free plan includes access to 5 server locations. Users can connect to servers in the United States, Canada, Germany, the Netherlands, and Singapore. Although this selection is more limited compared to the extensive range of options available on premium plans, it remains adequate for several purposes. With these servers, you can access region-specific content, such as websites or streaming services restricted to particular countries. Additionally, the free plan effectively secures your connection, providing peace of mind for activities like browsing on public Wi-Fi networks. Despite the smaller server network, it delivers solid functionality for users seeking a cost-free VPN solution. You can connect one device at a time when using the free plan, making it an ideal option for individuals who only need a VPN on their laptop, phone, or tablet. This limitation ensures a straightforward and focused use of the VPN without the complexities of managing multiple connections. However, if you require VPN access on several devices simultaneously, such as a combination of laptops, smartphones, tablets, or other internet-enabled devices, upgrading to the premium plan may be worth considering. The premium plan significantly expands the scope of usability by allowing up to 10 devices to connect at the same time, providing enhanced flexibility and convenience for users with more extensive connectivity needs. Another feature included in the free plan is the implementation of strong encryption, which significantly enhances the security and privacy of your online activity. The VPN utilizes AES 256-bit encryption, a gold standard in data protection and one of the most secure encryption methods currently available. This robust level of encryption ensures that all your online activities, including browsing, data transfers, and communication, are effectively safeguarded against unauthorized access. Even when you connect to public Wi-Fi networks, which are often vulnerable to hacking attempts and data interception, this advanced encryption keeps your information private and secure. It provides a reliable defense against hackers, cybercriminals, and data snoopers who might otherwise exploit unsecured connections to gain access to sensitive information. The free plan includes a built-in kill switch, a critical feature designed to protect your online privacy and security. This functionality automatically blocks your internet connection in the event of a VPN connection drop, ensuring that your data is not exposed unintentionally during these brief interruptions. By preventing any unencrypted data from being transmitted, the kill switch acts as a safeguard against potential breaches, maintaining your anonymity and keeping your personal information secure at all times. Now let's take a closer look at the VPN's performance. When it comes to speed tests, this VPN performs impressively, delivering excellent results even for users on the free plan. It's worth noting that, as with all VPNs, there is a slight drop in speed when the service is active. However, the reduction in speed here is negligible, ensuring that the connection remains consistently reliable. Whether you're browsing websites, streaming videos, or engaging in other online activities, the VPN maintains speeds that are fast enough to provide a seamless and smooth experience. Another key feature of HideMe VPN is its strict no-log policy, which ensures that none of your browsing activity is stored or tracked by the service. This means that the VPN does not keep records of the websites you visit, the files you download, or any other online activity you engage in while using the service. This commitment to privacy is particularly significant because it provides users with the confidence that their online behavior remains completely private and secure. This feature is especially critical for a free VPN, as it sets the service apart from many other free alternatives that often rely on monetizing user data by selling it to third parties. By maintaining a no-log policy, the VPN not only safeguards your personal information, but also upholds a level of trust that is vital for protecting your digital privacy. If you're looking to explore even more advanced features, the premium plan provides a range of additional benefits. With this plan, you gain access to unlimited data, allowing you to browse, stream, and download without worrying about any restrictions. You'll also have the ability to connect to servers located in over 75 different locations, which enhances your browsing experience by providing more options for accessing content from around the world. The premium plan also supports streaming on popular platforms like Netflix, ensuring you can enjoy your favorite shows and movies without interruptions. Additionally, you can use the VPN across multiple devices at the same time, offering flexibility and convenience if you have more than one device to protect. If you're interested in upgrading to the premium plan and want to take advantage of a discount, you can find a link in the description below that will direct you to an exclusive offer. To get started with the free plan of HideMe VPN, simply click the link provided in the description. This will redirect you to the official page, where you can sign up for the service without needing to enter any payment information. Once you arrive on the page, scroll down a little and look for the option labeled Get Free Plan. By clicking this, you can begin using the service immediately, enjoying all the features included in the free plan. HideMe VPN stands out as one of the top free options available in 2025, known for its strong security measures, consistent and dependable performance, and the assurance that there are no hidden charges or surprises. If you're searching for a free VPN that truly prioritizes your privacy while offering all the essential features you need, this one is a highly reliable and worthwhile choice. It ensures your online activities remain protected while still providing a smooth, seamless browsing experience. That's it for this video. If you're interested in unlocking more features and tools, you can choose a premium plan, now available at a huge discount. However, if you'd prefer to stick with the free plan, just scroll down a little and click on Get Free Plan.